Good morning, everybody. So today's Tuesday, 26th of January, and we're looking at making equal groups in our division today. So let's remind you of our vocabulary. Groups, equal groups, sharing, shared between, grouping, divided and division. And we're going to be focusing on this bit today, making our equal groups, which we have done before. So it's sort of a revisiting the activities and ideas that we did in our multiplication unit. We're then going to be using those equal groups and thinking about sharing, and then making equal groups this time by grouping. We might need to think about when we use sharing and when we use grouping, and if we can, we'll try and link it to the bar model. So we learned our multiplications last time, so this time we're going to learn some division facts of dividing by 2, dividing by 5 and dividing by 10. So first of all, let's warm up our maths brains and have a go at these questions. So brilliant. So we have got add together 37 and 6. Well, I'm going to just partition this 6 into 3 and 3 using that doubling we did yesterday and halving, because 37 and 3 more make 40 and 3 more make 43. So 43. So 37 add 6 is 43. So what is 4 more than 15? So we can see 15 and 4 more jumps, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 more than 15 is 19. So what could the missing digit be? So we've got 37 is greater than something with 9 ones. We could have a few different options here. We could have 110, because that would be 19. So if you put 110 in there, that would be absolutely fine. But if you chose to put 2 10s in there as well, so you could have chosen to have the 110 or 2 10s, then that would be fine as well, because 19 is less than 37 and 29 is also less than 37. So how long is the crayon? So having a look carefully at this picture, we can see the crayon is on 0 and the end of it is on 7. And we can see that it's counting, and it looks like it's a ruler. So rulers use centimetres, and you must remember to put centimetres on, otherwise it's not quite right. Okay, so let's have a look here. So funny, I don't know why it does this. All my words like to disappear. So have a think. What do these words mean? We've used them before: equal and unequal. Okay, so if we were making equal groups, it means you've got equal, just means you've got the same. It means the same amount. So here is one group and here is 2 groups. They are equal groups. And if I did unequal, I could have 2 in that one, but this one would be unequal because there are 3. So we're going to be thinking a lot today about these equal groups. And the first thing I would like you to try and do is see if you can divide out these apples into these 3 equal groups. So dividing these apples into 3 equal groups. Maybe you'd like to get some Cheerios or some Lego bricks to do it practically and help you. Brilliant. So we're going to make an equal group here. So let's just send that to the back so we can see our apples. So when we're making our equal groups, we've got to remember to put them out fairly. So I'm going to put 1 in this one in this one, and then 1 in that one. Here we go. So just making my equal groups here with my apples. Here we go. So I have made, we can finish our sentence down here. So I had 3 circles, so there are 3 equal groups, and in each group are 5 apples. Okay, brilliant. So let's have a look at this one. So I've got 15 cups. Can we put them into equal groups? How many equal groups of how many can you do? Again, you might not have 15 cups, but you could pretend your little some sultanas or something are cups to help you. So well done for having a go. Let's put my cups over. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making it all equal by putting the same amount in each. So I've got this 9, there's number 10, so there's 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. There we go. So let's finish our sentence. So how many equal groups have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 equal, not 54, 5 equal groups of 3 in each group. So I've got 5 equal groups of 3. So would you like to have a go this time? And this time I've put down here, can I make, using these triangles, can I make or not make 6 equal groups? I would like to make 6 equal groups. Can I do that? Okay, have a go. Well done. What did you find out? Wonder if you get the same as me. So let me start by putting, let's put the big triangle, give each one a big triangle. It doesn't matter if you put big ones or little ones in. We're just sharing out these, putting these triangles into groups. So you know what, I'm going to take that one out a minute. I'm going to put that one in. So okay, so we might have said no. So there's a couple of things we could say here, isn't there? So no, we haven't made equal groups. This one's got 1 big one and 2 little ones. So is this one, and this one. But I didn't have enough little ones over here. So, or I could say this group's got 3, 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 but this one's only got 2. So I cannot make 6 equal groups because if I look at it this way, one group only has only has 2 triangles. The rest have 3. And some of you obviously might have spotted that it's also not equal because, and you might have written it down, that this got 2 big triangles and 1 little one, and is that fair? So let's have a look at this question here. So why is my writing hiding? So let's have a look. So I have got 17 and 14. Which of these numbers can make 2 equal groups? Have a think. Okay, so now you've had a think, I'm actually going to use my knowledge of odd and even numbers. Now, can you remember our even numbers all had a partner? And if I carefully draw a line down the middle here, and draw an arrow, can you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I've got 8 here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would have, let me see if I can get, I wonder if I could use a big fat pen. I could have 1, oh, that's very fat, isn't it? Let's make it smaller. Oh no, Mrs. Stevens, I thought I had a rubber. Right, let's see if I get the highlighter again. See if I can do it with this. 1, 2, let's So I can see they're not equal. We can check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And at the moment they are equal, both with 8, but number 17 goes in and then it's not equal. So if we look at the number 14 and thinking about our odd and even numbers, remember our even numbers all liked partners. So look, this one's all got partners. So I think this number we can divide into 2. I'm going to change my colour. So let's check this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you can see we've got a group of 7 and a group of 7. So the number, which one, 14, can make 2 equal groups because there are 7 in each group. I'm also going to put it is also an even number. Okay, brilliant. So that's making equal groups. I would like you just to have a little think now and show me with a picture or an array. Now remember, arrays, I'll quickly make one over here, are where we line up our dots very carefully. Can you show me that 18 could be shared into 2 equal groups? Is that true or is that false? Right, well done for having a go. I wonder if you used your objects to help you. Let me have a go. So I'll change colour pen so we don't get confused. So I need 2 equal groups. So we're going to do one group here, one group here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've just drawn a picture here because remember an array, there's one group and there's another group. I've just drawn a picture because remember an array always needs to have the same number going across and down. But we can say yes, because I have got equal groups. I've got 2 groups, both with 9 in. So I can say this is true because both groups have 9 in. Brilliant. So what are your activities going to be for today? So let's see, making sure you can see all the writing again. So you can see our first activity is for each picture, show how you can create equal groups. So this picture, I would like into equal groups of 4. This picture, equal groups of 5. And this picture into equal groups of 3. And then we've got some words here. Can you put that number, I'm not going to say it, into equal groups of 4? We've then got a word problem here. So there are 5 children who want to buy some sweets from the shop and they want to share them equally. Which bag should they buy? So which bags meant that the 5 children will get the same amount. And then finally, which of these numbers can create groups of 3 and equal groups of 5? So it has to be both. Can it make equal groups of 3 and equal groups of 5? Really looking forward to seeing your learning on Dojo. Have a great day.